Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up live wallpaper in Realme Note 50. All you guys have to do just long press on home screen and then go to wallpaper and style. After that, as you guys see, we don't have option of live wallpaper here, and Realme Note 50 have default live wallpaper. But don't worry, I am giving you the trick. All you guys have to do just go to Play Store and then search for Magic Fluid Live Wallpaper. After that, just install this application. After installing, open the application and then allow the permission. This application may contain some ads, but don't worry. After that, click on next, again next, and then get started. So these are all live wallpaper. Now I am choosing this one. As you see, the wallpaper is now loading, and then click on set wallpaper. But let me show you the preview. This is how the wallpaper look like. Set wallpaper, and make sure to set this to autoplay burst so that it will be happening automatically. After that, click on apply. Now click on set wallpaper, and if you want to set it for home screen, so just click on home screen, or if you want to set on both, so just click on home screen and lock screen. I am setting for home screen. So as you see, this is how the live wallpaper look like in Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.